Okay, start now, Pooja.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Pooja Kumari. I belong to Rajasthan, which is famous for its historical places. I have completed my schooling in 2022. Currently, I am pursuing graduation. My hobby is to play Kho. I am physically fit and mentally sound. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I want to join Indian Air Force because I am very much inspired by squad leader Avni Chaturvedi ma'am, and at the same time it's provide opportunity to start the career and serve the nation in very low age. Now come to this topic. This topic is the future of AI. AI means artificial intelligence. AI has changed the world, and AI is also benefit in our country, and AI is also help many sectors like medical sector, education sector, and food sector. And we can example of AI is Alexa, Google. AI will be more coming for innovation in good, and schedule robotic changes. And we can see at present in already AI is already improving in robotic system, and also at present we can working in robotic system, the example of AI. And 5G technology in good example of AI. And also some positive and negative effects we can discuss in our GD part.
Okay, next candidate, Ajay Pal Yadav.
Jai Hind, my friends. I feel honored to introduce myself in front of you. I am Ajay Pal Yadav. My father name is Mr. Brajmon Yadav. I belong to village Tuleda, district Alwar, Rajasthan. I have completed my intermediate since 2021 with PCM. Right now, I am pursuing graduation from RR Autonomous College, Alwar with mathematics. My hobby is playing cricket, reading newspaper, and do gardening, which connect me more with nature. I want to join Indian Air Force because from my childhood it was my dream to serve motherland as a defense personnel, and also it give me a lot of adventureful life. So I want to join Indian Air Force. Today is our group discussion topic is the future of artificial intelligence. Firstly, initiated with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means if intelligence which is man-made by, but it is not done by man, but it is done by the machines. That is called artificial intelligence. It's work on the basis of algorithms. The future of artificial intelligence is a very good because in from time to time it will be developed because it's work on the algorithm basis in robotics, drone technology, and also doctors, engineers, and even like Chat GPT are also coming. So that is so that the in the future artificial intelligence will be a more useful. Thank you.
Okay, next candidate, Ajay Gill.
First of all, a very warm good evening to all that. My name is Ajay Gila. I am from Didwana, Rajasthan, which is famous for Salt Lake. If I talk about my qualifications, that I complete my intermediate exams in 2023 with 89%, and now I am pursuing BSc first year. If I talk about my hobbies, that I would like to play cricket and solve the mathematical puzzles. My short-term career goal is join Indian Air Force as an Agniveer, and long-term career goal is join Indian Air Force as an officer. So today we are going to talk about the future of artificial intelligence, short form AI. As we know that AI play a very big role in our future planning. Yet AI are also be useful in defense sector and in medical sector also. Yet AI system of the future, it's very safe and secure, provide our data and our privacy. As we know that many apps and like ChatGPT, Google and Yahoo also be play by the AI. AI also we solve our all the doubt in very milliseconds. It's very useful for all the students for their study. As we know,
Okay, next candidate, Prashant Kumar.
Jai Hind, respected sir and dear friends. I am Prashant. I am from Unnao, which located in Uttar Pradesh. I have completed 10th and 12th from UP board. At present, I pursuing BSc third year from Mahaprana Nirala Degree College, Usia, Bijapur, Unnao. My hobbies are listening song and reading book. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's provided discipline, dedicated and adventurous life. Thank you, friend. That's all about me. Now I am coming to our GD topic, which is assigned to a future of artificial intelligence. Friends, we know that India is a country with high population, so artificial usage of artificial intelligence increasing day by day. So artificial intelligence change the whole world, and it makes main life easy. So artificial intelligence is make artificial intelligence intelligence is good for our nation, but it is makes men self-dependent. So it is not. It has both advantage and disadvantage. So I will here to mention in our discussion. Thank you.
Next candidate, Siddharth.
Good afternoon, candidates. My name is Siddharth Singh. I'm from Bharatpur, Rajasthan, which is famous for Kelade National Bird Sanctuary. I completed my 12th class from Rajasthan board with 95% and now I'm pursuing my graduation from Raj University, Bharatpur. In my family, my father is a policeman, my mother is a homemaker, and we are 3 siblings. My hobbies is to play football and also listening music. I have to join Indian Air Force because I have to discipline my life and also serve the nation as an airman. Coming towards the topic name is the future of AI. As we know that AI, artificial intelligence, is known as the human made, but also has brain. Artificial AI is a machine which has his own brain, do works, and also capable to understand the meaning of others, as it provides personalized experience and also give our best once a human cannot do. As we know that there are many AI also working on that. Drivingless cars also are in the market. Suddenly, Tesla also introduced her AI cars, which drives automatically without any driver. As we in the era of AI, many AI workings on them is also in working. There are also another AI is ready to launch in many
Next
sectors like.
candidate is Nishu Yadav. Next,
Friends, my name is Neet Yadav. I am from Malwa.
continue करो निशु.
Then, friends, my name is Neet Yadav. I am from Alwar, Rajasthan. My qualification is I completed my intermediate from Career Teaching Senior Secondary School, Alwar, and now I am pursuing graduation from RR Autonomous College, Alwar. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a shopkeeper and my mother is a homemaker. I have one younger brother also. And now, if we talk about my hobbies, then I like to play cricket and do yoga practice. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve my nation, and it gives me adventurous life and secure life. That's all about me. Now I'm coming on our today's G topic, that is the future of artificial intelligence. As we all know that in this era, artificial intelligence making the crucial role in the world. As we all know that in the many things we can see the artificial intelligence, they are working well, like the when we talk about the Elon Musk Tesla, we all know that that is working without any driver, they can drive the car. So it is the impact of Tesla. First of all, we should understand 1956 when John McCarthy has first time taken the name of artificial intelligence. After then, the many companies like Microsoft and Google, they are working their own AIs, like they are creating their own AIs to develop that countries that companies in high level. And in this time, we all know that it can solve any problem, that the man can do any error, but AI cannot do any error. So as we all
Okay.
know that
Next candidate Anjali. Next candidate Anjali.
Bikunsal. I belong to Matra, located in UP. I have completed higher secondary with PCM from UP Board. I have got good academic score 10th as well as 12th standard. Now I am pursuing BA from Bhimrao Ambedkar University. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. That's all about me. Dear friends, this topic is related to artificial intelligence in our future, in our nation, in our society. In my opinion, artificial intelligence is a good invention of humankind. It refers to make machines and computer work in a smart way. As we all know, Google Assistant and Google Maps are the best examples of AI. Apple iPhone and iPad exhibit artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence hypothetically means intelligent machine that humans. AI can be used for the betterment of humanity. Artificial intelligence in the start 1915. Artificial intelligence can be used in every field like agriculture, education, health, automobile, robots, and big software company, etc. Artificial intelligence play an important role in the financial sector. AI can help us new discoveries in science stream, math, like and arts. AI like a smart robot. AI makes computer smart. Artificial intelligence is a boon for every people and many students, which helps uh, which helps the reading, and many teachers are teaching for this helps. AI can reduce manpower. AI is a computer technology. AI is the ability of a computer program or a machine to think and learn. AI is a boon and AI is a
Okay. Next candidate,
thank you.
Aditya Singh. Aditya Singh.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Aditya Singh. I am from Devariya, UP. I passed my 12th in 2021 from UP boards and currently pursuing my graduation from JS University. My father name is Vijay Singh, he is a farmer. My hobbies are doing physical activity, cooking and traveling. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives us adventures and social respect. And today our discussion topic is the future of artificial intelligence. I think the future of artificial intelligence is very good for us and for our life because it will saves our times and provides the productive informations and it can reduce the repetitions work of humans and it will works in many sectors like health sectors, defense sectors, education sectors, and also in traffic rules. And the future of AI when develop very much, we can uh, we can open our door without touching. Only by saying to the artificial intelligence, we can close or open our door, and without plugging the chargers, we can easily charge our mobiles by the help of Wi-Fi. And when the artificial intelligence develop more and more into the world, so we can use it for like when we say to the AI, it can close or open our lights of the rooms, and by the help of AI, we can easily drive our car without without touching the.
Okay. Krishna Gopal.
Jai Hind all of you. My name is Krishna Gopal. I belong to Mathura from Uttar Pradesh. Mathura is famous for birth of Lord Krishna. If I talk about my education qualification, I have passed 12th class from BSBP School Bharatpur, and now I am pursuing education BA from VR Ambedkar University, Agra. If I mention my family, my father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. After referring the paragraph, a friend, as we know that the full form of AI, artificial intelligence, and it is a very useful for the development of nation. And by the AI, we can do any work easily without mistake, and it help to many sectors like that education sector, medical sector, food sector, etc. And a friend, as we know that artificial machine can be used for the betterment of humanity, but it can be also reason for a human degradation if it into the wrong hand. Thank you.
Next candidate,
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Khushi. I am from Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 3rd class from UP board in 2022 with 80% and currently I am pursuing BSc from Chaudhary Charan Singh University, Meerut. There are 5 members in my family. My father name is Mr. Sanjay Singh. He is a farmer. My mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are playing badminton, cooking food. In my strength points are I can adjust myself in any situation. I have friendly nature. That's all about me. Now I come my topic. Dear old friends, we are here to discuss on the topic which is assigned to us, that is the future of artificial intelligence. Dear friends, the future of artificial intelligence, it will be good if a person use the artificial intelligence in a good way, because nowadays we can see the artificial intelligence is more popular not only our country but also the whole world, and we use the artificial intelligence in our life in a many field, like we can see the medical field, graduation education field, agriculture field, and so on, and it is more beneficial for us because of the artificial intelligence do many machines, robots, and nowadays we can see the driving like travels also the include the artificial intelligence. But we can on the other hand it is more beneficial for us in a future way, but on the other hand we can say the use of artificial intelligence some people do in a wrong way. We can see nowadays also that some people use artificial intelligence in a wrong way. Some people release the fake news throughout the artificial intelligence, like many deep fake videos and deep fake voice also. So it is totally depends
Okay.
on a
Next candidate,
person uses.
Anubhav.
जय हिंद रेस्पेक्टेड सर एंड माय
Anubhav.
डियर फ्रेंड्स। सर आवाज नहीं आ रही है?
Continue. Anubhav.
In respected sir and my dear friends, my name is Anubhav from Mathai, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for many historical buildings. I have passed my 12th exemption from RKSB Winter College and currently pursuing Bachelor of Arts 3rd year from HSD College. My hobbies are playing cricket, piano, and volleyball. I wanted to join Indian Air Force as I have enthusiasm to do something for my country. That's all about me. Now coming on to our GD topic, which is artificial intelligence. Then the artificial intelligence is a system which is man-made and man is using it for their own benefits, and the use of artificial intelligence is increasing day by day. As like we can see the use of ChatGPT. By the help of the ChatGPT we can solve any query and collect any information about any topic. And if we're talking about the use in defense sector, and then we can see by the help of the drone cameras, soldiers can easily can clear the borders. So it is very beneficial for us. I will continue my further discussion in my GD. Thank you.
Okay. Next candidate, Irshad.
Dear friends and respected sir, first of all, very good afternoon. Sir, my name is Irsad. I belong to Sultanpur, located in UP. Sir, I have completed my higher secondary with PCM from UP board. Also, I have good academic record in 10th as well as 12th standard. Sir, my hobbies are playing cricket, listening music, and reading books. That's all about me. Dear friends, we are here to discuss on the topic the future of artificial intelligence. Dear friends, the ability of a computer system or a machine to behave intelligently with some human traits is known as artificial intelligence. Dear friends, driverless cars, interpretation of human speech, high-level gaming strategies, decoding complex data are all possible because of adding artificial intelligence to machine. Dear friends, also a lot of video games uses AI as games require human interaction and intelligence the most. Dear friends, AI is helping us in making our
Okay. Next
society.
candidate, Omji Shukla.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Omji Shukla. I am 18.5 years old. I am born and brought up in Auraiya district situated in Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 10th and 12th from UP board and currently pursuing my graduation from Chhatrapati Savaji Maharaj University, Kanpur. In my free time, I used to listen music and hanging out with my friends. Talking about my family, we are 4 members in my family. My father is a government teacher and my mother is a dedicated house lady. And we are 2 siblings. My reason for the join Indian Air Force is becoming a part of the Indian Air Force like a feeling proudness for me and as well as my parents. Thank you. This is all about me. Now we just move on the topic, which is the future of the AI intelligence. AI means is the artificial intelligence. It's launched in the world by the John M.C. Corty in the 1950s. So John M.C. Corty regarded as the father of the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can think, act like a human. It can understand your words, remember past events, and even learn new things. It can help us by many ways, like education sector, health sector, and to be healthy and safer and more efficient. Introducing new AI chatbot like Amazon Alexa Siri took the world by storm. Thank you.
Next candidate Sagar Kumar.
जय हिंद सर एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स माय नेम सागर कुमार आई एम फ्रॉम शामली उत्तर प्रदेश सर मेरी वॉइस आ रही है क्या
कंटिन्यू कीजिए आप.
यस सर जय हिंद सर एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स माय नेम सागर कुमार आई एम फ्रॉम शामली उत्तर प्रदेश आई पास क्लास 12th from UP board there are 5 members in my family my father is a farmer my mother is a homemaker my hobby is playing cricket my strong point is that I am hardworking I want to join Indian Air Force because I serve the nation I would like to speak on this topic. My topic artificial intelligence use in future. Artificial intelligence means we can use the machine in life and in future. Artificial intelligence use many sectors like education sector, medical sector. A drone technology is a part of artificial intelligence. We can use in every field like we often see use of drone in marriage party, etc. Which possible through the artificial intelligence. Because artificial intelligence is very powerful compared to people and it is much work compared to people. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Next candidate Chaudhary.
Jain sir and Jai girl. I am Prem Chaudhary. I belong to Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about my educational qualification, I completed my 12th from UP board. Now I mention my family. There are 5 members in my family. My parents and 3 siblings. After wrapping the paragraph, I want to say that artificial intelligence is more beneficial our futures. And friends, as we know that artificial intelligence expected to play an increasingly important role in shaping the future of the society with potential benefit including increasing efficiency, improved safety, and instant decision making. So artificial intelligence is very helpful for us. And friends, as we know that artificial intelligence very helpful in other many sector like medical sector, defense sector, etc. So I think artificial intelligence is future of our country. Thank you.
Okay, candidates. Now we start our discussion, and Prashant start the discussion.
Thank you, sir, for giving this golden opportunity to initiate the topic. Friends, we are here to discuss on the topic future of artificial intelligence. Friends, we know that India is a high population country, so usage of artificial intelligence in future increasing day by day. So usage of artificial intelligence makes men life easy because in future men had not required to do any work because artificial intelligence provide a lot of robotic system. So they are also work anything. But the usage of artificial intelligence has create many disadvantage. So like usage artificial intelligence makes men lazy and makes men dependence of artificial intelligence, and it has lost the job opportunity and increase the unemployment level. And the usage of artificial intelligence has the defense sector has a major role because the robot has protect our nation. So the soldier has not soldiers, and we are safe. Thank you.
I agree.
Yes, you are right. I want to say something. It's good for in our country.
Important to AI because AI
Every
also
coin
will
has
play
two
very
parts.
big
There
role
are
in our
positive
future.
and
That many
negative.
AI
So there
companies
are
and many
positive
other
and negative.
ChatGPT
So
programs also be space program launched by our AI system, and many space program also be held by on the earth by AI system. That AI system also very supported in future. That many defense sector also be a drone system also play very big role in our future. That many other persons and many other soldiers are save their life by the using of AI robots.
My friend, I am totally agree with you, and I want to say something here. Friend, as we know that AI machine is a very important for our
learning
nation,
experience
and
to the
it's
bridge to the
it may not
second
make any
year
mistake.
at
Friend, as we
Yes, you are right. I want to say something. AI is made by humans easier life,
know
and
that
AI, no
it's
doubt, for
supports
AI
many
is
sectors,
also good for
education sector.
humans, and AI is also faster than humans, and it's good for our future, because it's also try to our country is developing to develop, and we can see an example of AI in driverless cars and 5G technology. It's at present is helping for humans, and after some days is more helpful for any people.
Yes,
Dear
you are
friends,
right.
I
I
am
am
totally
exactly
agree with you.
using
Artificial
AI has
intelligence
in
will
order
be
to
Our
developed
improve
situation
because
our
it
life.
works on the
AI
equal
algorithm.
is a very
society in our
supportive
And
country.
device in future
AI
and
can be
represent the
used for
advantage of
very
this.
helpful for many pupils. AI are most important for our life. Artificial intelligence can be used every field: education, health, and medical health, and agricultural health, automobile, and big software companies. Artificial intelligence play an important role in the financial sector. AI machines would be very definitely better performance and provides the right many facilities like education facilities and better for the future and maintaining your lifestyle. Thank you.
and I would
Yeah,
like
I
to
guess
say
you're
Agree
right.
with your
As we
point
know,
that
it's a computer-based
artificial
technology. AI
intelligence
system
is
is
doing
very
that in
supportive.
every
In the
field. Like
future,
we all
by
know
the
that
implementation of
in this time
AI
the
system,
similarity between
it's
human beings
reduce the errors and the can
point that AI is
significant
very helpful
reduce
in many sectors, because
errors
you know
and
that
increase
AI plays an
accuracy with
in many
perception.
sectors like defense sector and
the
medical
main
sector
benefit of
etc.
AI
As you know,
that
technology
it
plays
has no errors and also it can work for 24 hours. From time to time, AI has developed because it's work on the algorithm. Like ChatGPT, before 2 years, ChatGPT was coming in existence. That time we think that AI is in developing phase. But right now, the new version of ChatGPT, that is GPT 4.0, has come. It is more advanced and it can even flirt you. That is so that the AI from time to time AI will be developed because it's work on the algorithm basis.
If we talk about the future of AI technology, before sometimes our uh, Bengaluru buy some driverless metro coach in 6 numbers, because it is very useful, because it can drive without drivers, and it is import from the China's.
I agree with my former speaker. Here, I would like to add one more point also, friends. So the artificial intelligence
The
is a good.
future of artificial intelligence is it will be good if with the use of artificial intelligence in a proper way, because of that now we can also the use of artificial intelligence in a very in every field, in a life of every field, like we can see the medical field also the use of the artificial intelligence in good way, because many surgeries also include with the help of artificial intelligence, because many machines and robots also help with the help of medical field, so it is more beneficial for us.
Yes, I am agree with you. I add some points because in defense
Artificial
sector,
intelligence is a great invention for the humankind.
understand
Artificial intelligence is very important in our life. This affects our GDP. Our GDP in manufacturing from 60% to 30% as of now in today's era. Artificial intelligence is important role in financial sector and many sectors. It reduces manpower and can saves our time. And the very important, this is our life.
There are many
yes,
motorbike
I
companies
agree with your
also be
point that
using their
we
technology
all
of
know that
AI, which
artificial
is very
intelligence can
useful
work
and very
more from the
intelligent.
animals. Like it has not any error, and it's not depend like he can artificial work can do in 24 hours. They are not like we can say that every time they can work, and in every field. In this time, we also watch like in every field, like in when we talk about the agriculture and other things are in defense sectors. If we are implementing the artificial intelligence, then they can be beneficial for the all peoples. Like any mission you want to send in space, that time you can use the artificial Yes,
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 I agree with
gentlemen.
you because
I am
as we
agreeing with
know
you
that
and
the
add some
campus
points.
for
In
AI
defense
sector is
sector,
very costly and very
artificial
expensive.
intelligence
As
play
all the
a
companies
important
can
role
do, but
because
also
we
the
can see
difficulties for
easily
them.
terrorist activities
As we know,
and we can save their lives, our soldiers, through the artificial intelligence.
yes,
Artificial intelligence is a very fast from human because many people cannot do hard work, but a robot can do it. Today, many companies like Mahindra, Tata, etc. we can use it.
With my
if
friend
we
You
and
are
I
talk
would
right.
like
about
to
I
add some
want to
points
say
from my
something.
side.
It's
India is a developing country, so the
Uses very much it causes
uses of
the
artificial
unemployment rate of youth, and by the when the artificial intelligence used in future very much, the case of unemployment increases very fastly, then humans will die because they have no works because of AI technology used in many sector very much.
You are
Yes,
right.
I agree with you,
I
but
want to
I
add
don't
one more point.
I don't want to
AI
agree
is
with you
also
because
beneficial for in our
if we
country.
talk about artificial intelligence,
in more ways
then
because we can see in our society and as well as our country also the whole world nowadays also AI uses is increased day by day, if the AI uses increased day by day, so it's create many problems for many pupils, like it's also create unemployment in our country because if the you because we can see nowadays also many companies given a more preference many AI machines, so it's also the create of unemployment problem, and also it's create to laziness problem for the many pupils because many work do the with the help of AI.
Yes, you are right. But I want to advantage for artificial
Implemented our
intelligence.
app not only in my
Artificial
country but
intelligence
also in
it's
the whole
good for
world.
in our country
Artificial
and
intelligence
also
is a
beneficial for
good way,
in
and
our country and
artificial
also some
intelligence
steps
is a great
in.
invention of humankind. Artificial intelligence can provide the right ways and which is can save us our time and and this is as this is mainly for lifestyle and this is a will be change for lifestyle. AI can be used for many sectors and this is a saving AI is a time saving process. It will reduce manpower and unemployment is decreasing day by day. Plenty
yes, I
time we can
totally,
say that saves the time and energy.
yes, I
You are
totally
right.
agree with
I
you.
want
In
to
defense
add
sector, we are
one
using
more
AI to
advantage.
More beneficial and friends, as you know, every coin has two part and artificial intelligence more beneficial, but many sector are not beneficial. Like artificial intelligence is not beneficial, and the robots like works and the unemployment increasing day by day, and this is the main problem in our country. And the person are who are not works, this initial not requires
Yes, I'm
etc.
agree with your point. Like we are using
Yes, you are right. I want to add one more point.
Yes, sir. Due
Artificial
to the
intelligence is
artificial
good for
intelligence
in our country,
understanding
and
future.
artificial intelligence is improved in youth system. We can use in future in our defense and industrial system, industrial sectors, and we can. I told to in defense sector when we can use in future in our country in artificial intelligence. So not fear in war for any people die, and in industrial system is increase our economy system in our country.
Dear
According to
friends,
the
I
data
Yes,
totally
you
source
are
agree
that
right.
with
In
you.
defense sector, we are
artificial
Artificial
using AI
intelligence
intelligence
to
can
can
process
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 significant
huge
significant
amount of
amount
messages.
data quickly and accurately, allowing it to complete tasks much faster than humanity. Artificial intelligence can be programmed to make decisions based on objective data and logic, reducing the risk of human errors. Dear friends, artificial intelligence can be used to personalize experience and services based on individual preference and behaviors. Thank you.
To
I
talk
agree
about the
with
I'm
you,
totally
negative
but
agree with you,
impact
but
gentlemen.
of
I
I
would
will
like
tell
to
you
add
about
one
the
more point
it
in
is
defense
artificial
it
sector. For
intelligence
example,
of the
in the
the
defense
introduction
artificial
sector.
of
intelligence,
As we know,
when
in
the
the
then
defense sector, we are already
it may
using
create
the
the
we
auto
talk
artificial
about the
situation for us.
intelligence.
negative point of
The
And the
example
biggest
for us
technology.
we can
example of
see
the trend.
in the Robot 2.0 movies.
according to the data source
In
that
Robot
in future
2.0
time
movies, a robot
artificial
create the
intelligence
auto situation not only to humans but all of us. So they need to not to be dependent on artificial intelligence completely. Thank you.
Okay, dear friends, I agree
as
with you,
there are
and I
very
would like to mention one point. Since as we know, the ability of a computer system which behave like a human race.
as we are
Okay,
as we
gentlemen.
are
I
in the
want to
era.
tell about the defense and using of the artificial intelligence in the defense sector. As we know, in the defense sector, artificial intelligence already using. The biggest advantage of the turn system, it's help to monitor the every situation in the border. And in the future, with the help of this technology, we also install the more and more equipment in the defense sector to help these our soldiers.
This dear
So
friends, I
means
will give you,
AI
and I would like to
that
listen your point. Friends, friends, as you know, AI is also
And AI technology used in very much, we can not give the employment to the peoples. And if we talk about the negative point of AI technology, it is emotionless, and it cannot work like a humans, because if we talk about the education sectors, many many little childs go to the schools for taking educations, and if we talk about the teacher, it helps the children by holding their hands how to write abcd, but by the help of robotic AI technology teachers, it cannot teach the students by holding their hands individuals.
At age, we know that many
I agree
persons
with
and
my
many
friend,
people
and I
are
would
also
like to
becoming
mention
of
one
their
more point here.
related
Friends,
to
we
the
know
AI
that
system.
every pointed two sides, there are also positive and negative. They are so positive and negative impact. So the future of artificial intelligence has good and bad. The artificial intelligence provide like an automatic teller machine. This is known as ATM. ATM is a machine which has not required any employment, which is provide cash through the ATM card, and it provide many app like Google Chrome browser. If we search anyone, it provide anything, and it is through the artificial or intelligence our government get many successful like Chandrayaan 3 mission also successful by the artificial intelligence, and many photos are captured by the drone technology and the computer. It's also part of artificial intelligence. Thank you.
dear friends, I will give
Dear
And
you,
friends,
and I
the
would like to
revolution
mention
of
your
AI
point.
I start
Hence,
by
is
as you
negative
know,
being
points
done by
like
the
them.
ability of a
artificial
computer system
intelligence
will
can
behave like a
potentially
human
automate
traits
many
with
tasks
some
that
human
are
intelligence.
currently performed
That
by
is called.
humans, leading to jobs loss and economic disruption. Artificial intelligence systems can be biased if they are trained on data that is not representative of the population as a whole. Dear friends, artificial intelligence system may collect and store large amount of personal data, raising concerns about privacy and security.
Yes, I want to say something.
Future time.
Artificial intelligence is good for in our country. We can see the example of agriculture. We know that is our country is second largest population country, and 70% of people is depending by agriculture. And artificial intelligence is it's future of the helping for agriculture. Then farmers are happy.
According to the data source, that in future time, artificial intelligence will impact 97 million of job opportunities in market. It will affect, not the reduce. It will also create some type of employment in artificial intelligence, like the data science and computer science. This type of, so that people will also get benefit in the technology sector.
I am agree with
Yes,
Yes,
friends.
this will
gentlemen,
depend
I am
on
agree with you.
as you
And
said here
also,
the
robot
revolution
is
of
a part
AI is
of
done by them.
artificial intelligence, and
Give a
robot
more
can do
employment.
more
Yes,
work
you are
than.
right. But if a person have a proper knowledge and skill, so artificial intelligence also given a more employment many pupils. But it's a necessary for that the people have a more skills and knowledge. But we can see the future of artificial intelligence. It will be good if the person use of artificial intelligence in a good way, because we can see also nowadays some people use of artificial intelligence in wrong way. We can see the many fake news is also the realizes or day by day with the help of AI. Like we can say the some people use the many deep fake videos and deep fake voice with the help of AI, and it is more harmful not only our society but also the whole country. And some people use in a future AI in a wrong way. So it is totally depends on a person thought how to use of AI, because AI totally depend on a person.
Dear friends,
Yes,
I am
I'm
totally
totally
agree
agree
with
with
you.
you.
I
Even
mean,
I
Artificial
want to put
you said
intelligence
here
has
that
point
the
some
revolution
major
of AI
advantage
is
of the
done.
artificial
with the
intelligence.
rise of
They,
the
as
fourth
the
industrial
revolution of AI
revolution,
is done.
especially in the
This
armed
is
force.
called
Military artificial system can process more data more effectively than traditional system due to its intrinsic computing and decision making capabilities. Artificial intelligence also increases combat system self control, self regulation, and self action. Artificial intelligence is used in almost every military application and increase research and development support from military research agency to develop new and advanced AI technology is expected to drive the widespread demand for AI. Thank you.
Yes,
I agree
gentlemen,
with
I
my
am agree
co-host
with you.
sir. Here
To
I
add
would
my
like
point,
to add.
These
robot is
are
a part
human
of
errors.
artificial
Like
intelligence, and robot can do more work than the people in every field. It is the main reason that it leads to unemployment. It reduces manpower in many fields, and we can use easily education sector. So it is very beneficial. But student cannot put up the question directly to robot, so it is not good.
As in
also
recent
I'm
years,
totally
we
agree
know
with you,
artificial
that
gentlemen. I
reduce
must support
the
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 second
revolution
man
of
point only.
AI is
man
done.
error.
So that
Like
as
if
the
we want
recent
to send
years,
robots in
the revolution of AI is done. We found that many thousands of jobs is being finished. As we know that Midjourney AI, when they launched, many content creators, many image creators, also video creators, jobs is completely ruined. As the Chat GPT come, Volvi AI come, the web developers lost their jobs because it is
I'm sorry to
easy
cut you, my
to
dear friends. I would like to say
free.
something here. Friends, as we know that AI is a very beneficial hour also, so we can easily solve our doubts. And friends, as we know that AI is also expected to play a good role in the entertainment industry. AI powered system can analyze everything by the behavior of users, and AI can reduce the risk of the human errors. It can program or design, make decision on the basis of data and logic. We can personalize the service as per our choice or want. So AI is very helpful in our futures. Thank you.
Yes, I
also
agree with
if
my
we
former
want
I'm
to
speaker.
reduce
Here
the
I would
human
like to
error,
add one
right?
more point
Because
also, friends.
if
The
we want to
artificial
send
intelligence
human
is
mission
very
in
beneficial
space,
for us, but we cannot avoid the bad impact of it. As like because
totally agree
we
with you,
see that
gentlemen. I
it
want to put
increases
some
cybercrime
disadvantage
cases,
point.
as to hack any person's account out to collect the personal data now has been a joke for the hackers, and they demands a lot of money to someone's persons. So that is not a good thing. So be here we need to aware the people about these type of cases. Thank you.
As the AI comes, the many thousands of works can easily done by a minute. And in our future, this can be become a boom for us in many different fields. Like in medical field, a doctor can easily be operation any patient without how many, no matter how is going, how far he was. The AI can do as instructed by a doctor. This can leads to boom our medical industry. Also, it can boom our mechanical field, IT industries, and also in defense sector. This can be used very in a specific way, not to provide complete information. We can command an AI so that they can work as a command operator. Not only we if we provide complete information or complete command to him, this can also be can cuts for us, so that if we have to use an AI, we have to command. We only we have to only command them. Not only we if we are dependent on the AI, the AI can finish us. Ruined AI can renew all types of jobs and all types of things that we have to matter, because AI does not have brain, emotions. He only work on numbers. As 0 or 1 is the only thing that they have in
Yes,
this
friends.
era.
I'm sorry
This
to
is
cut you, my dear friends. I would like to say something here, friends. As we know that the AI is a suggestion our medical suggestions, and it is the AI is the very beneficial. It's like a medical facility and a business facility etc. And so AI is expected to transfer the way any data very easily, and robots are very easily works faster than humans etc. And would you like to say something, dear friends?
also AI reduce the cost of human error. Like if we want to send human mission in space, then surely we should be sent a robot which can also work like a human in the space and also reduce the type of human error cost, because in space the human can be face a lot of problem like oxygens. And in the defense sector, instead of sending soldiers in the terrain areas in our country, we can sort robots, unmanned air vehicles. They can be surveillance. They can be good in surveillance. So it means that it also reduce the human error.
With my friend, and I would like to mention one more point. Friends, Kerala is the first state of India which started the robotic education system. So it is good for our nation. And India's automobile company Mahindra also promote artificial intelligence and launch a vehicle, launch a car which is known as XUV700. It has a mode is known as automobile. It is in auto driving mode. If you on auto driving mode, it is not required a driver, so it is also work without driver. And MG Hector cars also, if you speak anything, which is do anyone.
As we know that in Chandrayaan 3 mission, the Vikram lander has an AI, so that when the connection is cut by the Vikram lander, in recent time the landers also connect with the Indian Space Organization, so that we found that the AI which is in the Vikram lander is understanding the situation and also close shut down. When the sun is on the surface, they can charge automatically and then send the signal for our Indian Space Organization. And this leads again in the news that Vikram lander also, we can get the information from the Vikram lander about the moon and the surface of this moon. This is also beneficial in our future. Once we completely generated the AI generated robot, and we can send in other planets also, just like Mars and also in Jupiter, that we are discussing to send something on them. This can be also a very beneficial for this thing.
Yes,
I'm
dear
totally
friends,
agree with
I'm
you,
agree with you.
gentlemen. And
And
now I
I would
want to
like to
put
mention one more point.
I want to
Friends, as we know,
mention.
in this era, AI using many sectors like defense sectors, medical sectors, etc. If we talk about medical sectors, then medical sectors, here is everyone about digital twin. Digital twin is a software which covered minute to minute details of whole organ body. And before coming to AI, there is impossible to do dangerous diseases like cancer and etc. And after coming AI, we can it we can it with the radiotherapy. And nowadays cancer is not uncover this disease. It can it can solve very easily. Thank you.
I'm totally agree with you, gentlemen. But now I want to mention some disadvantage point of the artificial intelligence. As we know, AI is the very fast technology. It can work in every sector, like education sector, defense sector, uh, agriculture sector, whatever we want. But in the future, it takes over the when we amplified every sectors, takes over the human, and it's also caused the unemployment which we have already facing.
I
Yes, dear
agree with
friends.
my speaker.
As you,
Here, I would like to add one more point also, friends. To say that will be not wrong that artificial intelligence increase the unemployment level, because in previous time we see that there was a need a lot of people to do work, but by the help of the artificial intelligence, that work can be do easily without the help of the lot of people. So as like we can see that there is no need of guard. The guards work can do the CCTV or drone cameras easily. Thank you.
yes, dear friends. Here I would like to give example of AI. As we know about everyone about Sophia. Sophia is the fully less with AI robot, and now becomes the Sophia is a citizen of Saudi Arab. Friends, as we know, AI also helps in education systems. As we know everyone about ChatGPT 3.5. ChatGPT 3.5 helps a lot in education systems. When we have any doubt, then we can search easily and get easily answer through the ChatGPT 3.5. And recently launched ChatGPT 4 point version, which is the best example of AI.
Yes, gentlemen, I am agree with you. In medical sector, robot play a important role because many operation surgery doctor can use the robot. We can see easily in Air Force good discussion. They use it through audio. The Mahindra company promote it. Artificial intelligence beneficial for more information like we can send many satellite on moon, Jupiter, etc. So we can easily search much knowledge of moon and Jupiter. Jupiter.
Yes, dear friends, as we know, every coin has some merits and demerits. So AI also have merits and demerits. Now we are going to talk about demerits. Friends, as we know, with the help of AI, many people get to defame, and many people say with the use of AI, uh, do the defame many political parties, many people make meme of Narendra Modi. According to me, it is not good, and it's also defect one's emotions and feelings and one's reputations. Thank you.
You are
Yes, you are
absolutely
right.
Say
It will
also
be also
advantage
possibly
if
becoming
right
the people
implement in
lazy
our life.
as it work
Drone
everywhere
technology
in
is the
the place of
technology
human.
based on artificial intelligence in defense sector. The many uses of artificial intelligence. Today we are able to monitor the situations carefully, think in the borderline of our very use in drone technology. So as we all know, drone technology is a very useful and terrestrial activities, especially in like Jammu Kashmir. Drone being used in farming for spraying agriculture and food fertilizers and a role big role in fertilizer etc. Drone technology have used in many fields like agriculture, medicals, and education, or makes people smart, intellectual, and up to date, and it reduces manpower. So drone technology is a good in our nation.
Yes,
You are
dear
Also,
right.
friends.
Also
agriculture
beneficial
sector.
for no doubt for also advantage for artificial intelligence. But I want to say something in disadvantage for artificial intelligence. AI is also makes people lazy in day by day because people see in work done in artificial intelligence so easily. Then people know work done in our daily routine and so lazy for in daily routine.
Yes, dear friends, I am agree with you, and I would like to mention one more point. Friends, as we know, we can see best example of AI in everyone know about Israel Iron Man Dome. Iron Man Dome is the best equipment in defense sectors. That's work like when other country or other people get fire to missiles. So then Iron Man Dome attract and they observe. That's why whole country is safe from the attack of other persons. So we can see it is the best example of AI, and our government also should make these type equipments. That's why to improve their security purpose. Thank you.
If we talk
A
about the future of AI
as it
technology,
reduces
it
some
will
data harmful.
very good for humans and it will reduce the time of humans. But when the future technology used more and more in our society and country, it will be very costly, and many poor peoples cannot buy this artificial intelligence based machines. So it is only by rich persons and business persons and political persons. So
Yes, you
their
are absolutely right, friends. I'm
artificial
also agree with you.
intelligence used not
Drone are
for
used
pure.
in many marriage parties, seminar, rallies, etc. Drone are the best example of artificial intelligence. It is cost effective and it is used many companies like goods like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, Mantra, etc. The drone is unpiloted aircraft and unmanned air vehicle. So it's a good thing in our country, and government should take front steps. And like many like many issues are the saves for pupils. So artificial intelligence is the better way for maintaining lifestyle and makes pupils and children intelligent. So this is a good thing in our country.
So
Yes,
in
dear
future,
friends.
artificial intelligence will create a very pivotal role of the development of every sector of society, like farmers. It will enhance the farmers' income because from time to time they will get information about weather, climate situation, and also any type of disease from artificial intelligence. In medical sector, any one person who is suffering from any type of disease, he can take medical advices from any one person who is from in USA and Canada, so that it will helpful for people in future time.
Yes, dear friends, as we know, in this era, cybercrime is increasing very rapidly and day by day. So our Indian government also take a decision that he make a committee and where conclude with AI. So that's help we can control the cybercrime in India. Thank you.
Yes, artificial intelligence in uses by our countries in rescue teams, because rescue teams is help for AI is search for any people and any enemy for save for peoples. And we can talk in a medical sector is also help for AI, because we cannot go for these people's religions. We can search in drone systems in AI.
If we talk about the AI technology also used in metro sectors, because when the persons are in the metros, AI technology also provides the information that the passengers where has stopped and when they go to the departures of their aims. And if we talk about the AI technology, Dubai has also made the museums of futures, which also will based on AI technology.
Okay, dear friends. At last, I want to say that, and as we know, every country is depend on the AI, and our future also depend on totally depend on AI. So every country is running day by day in search of AI, search of AI, and our Indian government also should want to make new and new inventions about AI. And and our populations and our youth also get a skill about AI. That's why they get employment and they get a source of energy, source of income of life. Thank you.
Friends, you are
Also,
If
absolutely
I
right.
talk
I'm
about
totally
the
agree with
future
you.
of
But
AI
there are like
technology,
this
is
technology
also
some major
will
drawbacks.
be
It
very
leads to
used in
employment. It
many
leads to
sectors. Like if
employment,
we talk
and
about
it
the
is
news
harmful
sectors,
for
many AI anchors will be
if
used
I
in
get out
place
of
of
control, it
human
can
beings,
be disaster.
and
Testing
it
can
will
also
deliver
lead
the news to
to
the
drone
peoples,
technology. So drone
because
technology
it can
shapes us
deliver the news
and
in
nature
many
in our
languages and
country.
without
In defense center, the role of drone has
seconds.
increased.
And
Today, we
if
are able
we
to
talk
monitor situations carefully. It is being used to keep watch on many terrorist activities. Is like saves our country and saves our nation. So drone technology is a good thing in our country. And artificial intelligence, it is a great invention of humankind. It's like many sectors like education sector, medical help, and agriculture, etc. So this is good.
if we
Okay,
so
dear
talk
friends,
in
about
I'm
future
the
time,
Ruby.
future of AI
one
I
more
want to
technology,
share with
advancement
it
you.
will be
can
Uh,
be
used in
artificial
many
intelligence.
sectors,
Is
and
that the
especially
easiest
if we
method of
talk about
voice
the AI
processing?
technology will be used mostly in news sectors. Like if before sometimes India's launch their first AI anchors named Sana, and if we talk about the AI anchors can work more than sufficient of humans, and it can deliver the news in many languages, because men can not deliver the news fastly and in many languages.
Yes, dear friends, I am agree with my former speakers, Anjali Kuntal, and I want to adding one more point from that point. Friends, as we know, drone is also helping due to COVID-19 period for supplies many foods and many essential things. As we know, uh, we have supply COVID vaccines to Manipur by drone. So we can realize the value of drone technology, and drone technology also helps in many medical sectors. And if we talk about AI also provide us to security with secure confidential security. As we know, in this
We are focusing on the advantages of the artificial intelligence, but in future time there can be a lot of disadvantage of artificial intelligence than the advantages, like deepfake technology, voice cloning of any one person, and also cyber crime hacking situation. Because if sometimes wartime situation happen, and that time if any one person would do voice cloning of any good leader of the world, then surely it can also create a problem before coming in the authenticity in market.
Yes, you are absolutely right. I'm also agree with you, friend. In my opinion, India is the most populated country in the whole world, and many peoples are use in it. Artificial intelligence is make and many more robots and users like machines and a computer way. Google Map and assistants and Apple iPhone, iPad makes in our many pupils, and this can be out of more users. It can be harmful for humanity. India is a developing country, so this is a better way for artificial intelligence. Many people are like used in a robotic machines and many machines. This is a likely this is a not good for mostly expert the artificial intelligence.
Law and regulation is very important to stop the too much uses of the artificial intelligence. Like it can be a disadvantage, it can be a harmful for a man if we cannot be regulate it. So regulation is very important for the artificial intelligence.
Yes, in my opinion, artificial intelligence is a good beacon saves are like many problems, and beacons helps us many faces lot of problems are like nowadays era many people are like a lot of face of many problems, so this is not good for humanity, and AI can be helpful for many people and helpful and very helpful for every situation. So they create awareness. Artificial intelligence like needs many robots, and it is a time saving process, so artificial intelligence is good.
Yes, you are right. AI can perform repetitive tasks with high efficiency and accuracy, freeing human for more complex and creative work. AI system can analyze vast amount of data quickly and provide insights and prediction that add in better decision making process. AI can streamline process and in various industries, leading to faster production times and reduced cost. Thank you.
Sir, can I conclude the topic?
भैया जीडी हो चुकी है, अब बंद कर दीजिए। Hello, Saad.